Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be talking about how to get started trading in the Forex market and what you need to do. So first things first, you are going to need a platform to basically look at the charts at. So in order to do that, I have a Mac, so I use XM. So I go to xm.com, and then so you need a platform to trade on, and then you need a brokerage account that basically you would either use real or demo, so real or fake money that trade on the same market. So the markets trade the same. It's just if you don't know what you're doing, you should definitely use the fake money that you have the option to use. Practice, learn, and then whenever you feel comfortable, then you can start trading with real money. But this whole video is going to be based on the purpose of you not using real money and you using a demo account, because that is the best way to practice and get started before you don't want to get started in something you know nothing about and then lose a bunch of money. So how I would recommend you get started is basically you want to download a platform, so XM. And what you need to do is you can actually go to platforms and then MT4 for Mac. And then what you'll do is, so you don't have to necessarily open an account with them because well, basically I'll just show you the one that I use, but you can choose to open a demo or real account with any brokerage that you want. But yeah, so for this purpose though, we're just going to be using their software for the platform of using MetaTrader on a Mac. So we would basically click download, and then it'll start downloading. And this is the only reason that I use XM is just specifically because I have a Mac. So if I had a PC, then maybe I would use a different one, but this just so happened to be the first one that I had found for a Mac. So it works fine for me, but if you find a better one or use a better one because you're currently trading, leave it in the comments below, because I'm definitely open to trying another platform. It doesn't bother me. But while we're waiting for this to download, we can come over and I'll show you. This is the brokerage account I use. It's Trader's Way. So you can open like I said, a real or demo account. I would, like I said, recommend using the demo account first. So you can come here to, why is it so? You can go to private office. Actually, no, you don't even have to do, yeah, okay. Open account now. And then what you'll do is select demo account. And then you do, well, wherever you're at, you could do USD, Euro, or GBP. So I'm in the US, so I'll do USD. And then basically I can just input all my information here. All right, and then cell phone. And then you can just put your birthday. Alright, how did you hear about us? So you could basically put whatever you want. In the comments below, I will have, and also in the description, you'll see basically like a little, it'll be a link, and there will be a code, I believe, and you can use that code whenever you sign up for an account. Then you want to check this box and then open account now. Alright, so we got demo account, this is the number, and then this is the password. So I always take a screenshot of this, and then that way I have the information to log in to when the platform is downloaded. So now the platform's downloaded, so we'll open this. And once this opens, we're basically going to drag it into our apps. Once again, if you have a PC, your process is going to be a little bit different than this, more than likely. This is specifically for a Mac. Alright, so now that's finished, so we just need to open it up. So you just take this and then you want to drag it into your applications folder, and then basically it is now an application of yours installed on your computer. Alright, so once it's transferred to your applications folder, you will be able to let me pull it up. Go to Finder, Applications, and then, okay, so for me it's XMMT42 because I already have one installed. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to open up XMMT42, but yours will just say XMMT4. So I'll double click that. And then make sure you have your screenshot from the Trader's Way screen. Okay, so I have to fix my privacy settings. So basically, you're going to have a screen that looks like this. So you will click Add New Broker and do TW space Corp, and then you can do Scan. And then what should happen is it should pop up here at the top. You should have a demo and a live version. And then what you'll do, if you have the demo, like I'm suggesting, you will click Demo, then click Next, and then click the little box that says Existing Trade Account, and then you're going to want to enter the details from the screenshot that we took earlier. So once you do that, your charts will be like black and have a bunch of stuff all over them. So I'm going to click cancel because once you click finish, it's going to log you in, and then you should be good to go with a couple charts on your screen. So I'm going to cancel. So if you have multiple charts up and it looks something like this, more than likely your screen looks like something like this, but with a bunch of black charts. So if you want to change that, you can close these by clicking the X. And then if we want to make this big, we can just click that. Alright, and now you can right click and go down to Properties. And then what you'll find here is the ability to be able to change what your charts look like. So you can make the candles blue, so the up candles can be blue, down black candles. This actually looks pretty cool. I might keep this. So yeah, if you want to have the same look on your charts, which I would recommend just having a blank chart like this, because what I'm going to teach you in the future videos is basically going to show you how to work with a bear chart like this, and then you're going to mark out specific support and resistance levels on there to then potentially execute a trade off of those levels. So if you want to set up your charts just like this, you're going to want to have white background, black foreground, grid, Gainsborough is what I use, bar up, black, bar down, black, and like I said, you can change this to whatever color you want. So it was like this, the green. So green for bull candle, and bar up and bar down is basically going to be the wicks. So that's black. Bear candle is going to be the down candle, so we got that black. Line graph isn't even going to be on the chart, so just black. Volumes black. Ask line and stop levels red. So basically, if you have a trade open, those lines on the chart will be red. Now what you need to do is come over to common, and then how mine is set up is chart shift and chart auto scroll is checked. Then show open, high, low, close, which is up here. So it goes open, high, low, close. So I know, for whatever candle I'm on, if I'm, over this candle, then this will be open, this will be high, this will be low, this will be close. And yeah, for yours, it'll more than likely have show grid and show volumes on. So it may look something like this. Just uncheck those two boxes and you'll have a blank white chart like this. And then you're pretty much set up. So now you have a brokerage account set up, and then you have a trading platform set up on your computer. So moving forward, in tomorrow's video, I'm going to be talking about how to, basically what I do from start to finish on when I sit down at the charts, and what I'm going to be looking for, and how you're going to use those levels to eventually trade off of. So hope this video helps. Like I said, the links for everything will be below in the description and in the comments. Make sure that you leave a like on this video though, because that will help get more exposure for people that don't know how to set up this process or need help with this. Will be able to see the video by just you liking it. So even if you don't comment or anything, leaving a like on the video will always help. So hope this was insightful, and I hope you watch tomorrow's video, because then you'll learn some more useful information.